Why choose Python for a web? Welcome back everybody. In the last lesson we learned what web development is. In this video we'll explore why Python is such a popular and powerful language for web development. Python is famous for being simple and easy to read. Even beginner can start building with just a few lines of code. Let me show you how simple Hello World web app look in Python using flags. There you go. I just copy and paste some code here and just run for debug. Click it and boom. You can see here Hello World. We'll explore more in the next lesson. Strong community and libraries. Python has a massive community. You'll never be alone while learning or building. There are also thousands of libraries like Flags, Django, SQL, Alchemy, and more that make web development faster and easier. Versatility and use case. Python is not just for a web. It is also used in data science, automation, AI, and scripting. So by learning Python, you unlock many career paths. Flash and Django. For web app, Python gives us lightweight tools like Flags for simple project and powerful framework like Django for larger app. We'll start with Flags in this course because it is beginner friendly. So Python is simple, powerful, and fixable, perfect for modern web development. In the next lesson, we'll set up your computer and install all the tools you need. See you there.